So for those of you new to following or just catching up, this is a lot that my wife and I bought back in July, and we've been doing a lot of work clearing trees and trying to get usable. We have our dock down there and all that. Over the past few times we've been down, we've been tying up electrical, so we got temporary power and a water spigot, and then we got power to the dock to code and everything, and then we put a freshwater spigot down there too. We don't have water hooked up yet, but we just went ahead and ran everything. Now we're going to start working our way up from the dock, create a paver pathway and then stairs all the way up that side right here. So what I'm trying to do is create a new road which allows us to get access down to the water with the machines while still having our steps coming up, so next summer or whatever spring we can easily get down with our family to access the dock. So one of the challenges here is on this road that was cut in by a dozer before we bought it. Had some, you can kind of see a hump right there, so it just breaks over and goes down. So I'm trying to do a more gradual road. It rained a little bit last night, which is helping with packing, but then it's not wet enough underneath where all the stuff I'm digging up is dry. So trying to go over this back and forth, up and down the hill, and then filling back in. So I'll kind of comb all that back in, build this side up. So I don't want to slough off with the machine, because I'm basically building up the fill road here. So also trying to cut down this side. So anyway, do some tree cleanup, hoping to get down here next weekend and do some of that. So it's a good time of year to be working down here. Less leaves and debris and all that. We can just kind of burn the brush, and then we're going to cut it. All this is oak, so we're going to cut it up for firewood to have for the future. So somehow over the next months or year or whatever, I got to also create a way to get down to that side to help keep clearing trees. This is where our house will probably be, kind of cut out the middle of this hill. And it'll have a really good view. We're probably going to take that tree out. Not sure about this one yet. We're just kind of opening up the view, but also trying to keep the house a little more secluded up here. So anyway, this is a big project for us, obviously, and one that's going to take some time, but we just kind of chip away at it as we can.